I'm always opening up boxes and doing projects around the house, and I can never find my razor knife. So I got this pack of JETMORE razor knives. The nice thing about these razor knives is you can change the blades on it. So when you open it up, you can see it's just got a regular razor blade in there. And then it comes with a box of razors. So you can see you get a box of razors in here. So you'll always have a sharp razor ready. To change the razors, you just push this button in. Push this down, and when that raises it up, then you can take the blade out, and then you can flip it over. So that way you'll have a nice sharp side if one side gets dull. And then you just push it in and let it go back down, and now it's nice and secure. And then when you're done with it, you can use a little cover if you want. It's got a little sheath to put on there, and then it's got a button you can push on the back to lock it up. It's also got a clip to put on your belt. It's got the JETMORE logo on here. You get 4 different colors. There's a blue one. You get a red one, a yellow one, and a black one. And then when you want to open up your boxes, you can see it's got a nice sharp razor, so it just cuts right through there. Just be careful not to push this down because you don't want the razor to come loose, but this is pretty sturdy. So that's one nice thing about this, is you're not likely to just tap on that and then your razor blade comes loose. It's in there pretty secure. You can see how good that is and how nice it is to have a nice good sharp razor. And you can just kind of open everything right up here. So yeah, it's really nice to have these razors. You just cover it back up, close it up. It looks like the handle's made out of plastic, but of course the razor blades are made out of metal. Then all the hardware on the handle is also made out of metal. All the screws and the metal clip that holds around your belt and everything's all made out of metal. So that keeps the weight down a little bit, but it still seems really durable. And it looks like it's well built. I'm always setting these razors down when I'm done working, and then I can never find them again. So the nice thing about having 4 of them was I can set one down here in my living room where I'm always opening up the packages. I can put another one in the garage, and then I can put another one in my toolbox. So if I ever need one, then I'll just know right where to go. I can go back to my work area. If I can't find it, then I can just go in the toolbox real quick and grab one. I like how you get a whole big pack of them with 4 of them in here with different colors. And I like how you get the pack of extra razors too. So yeah, if you're looking for a pack of razor knives, this is a pretty nice set.